Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing good. Today, as the title says, I've come up with a home center Amazon haul. It's a home decor haul that I have. 80 to 90% of the products that I have are from home center, and a few of them are from Amazon as well. And I've bought all of them during sale, and a few of them are like a couple of months back, and few of them that I've got very recently. So without any delay, let's get started. So the first product that I have is a beautiful swan. So this is basically from Home Center, and I think I bought it for 499 rupees. So it's an excellent showpiece, and it's also a candle stand. So it's a very sturdy piece. So what I have done is that, we can actually keep candles here like this, and it looks amazing in the night because the eyes really glow here. There's a stone here. So I'll leave the purchase link in the description box if I happen. I think this is currently out of stock, but still I'll try and see if I can get the description. I can get the link placed in the description box. So just showing you how the swan looks like. The texture is so perfect, and it's a very sturdy piece. It has an antique effect, and it's not brass, it's actually plastic, but I think the coating that they have done on the outer layer looks so perfect and real. So when you have a fresh candle, I have this LED candle, I can actually place it here, or I can actually have a candle stand and then place it here. So both looks amazingly beautiful. So this is my first product. Now let's move to the second product. This again is beautiful peacock candle stand. Again, it's in the combination of blue and gold. So this is how the candle stand looks like. This is again from Home Center. See how beautiful it looks with the candle on it. So this I think was around 699, and this was the MRP, and I think I got it for 499 sale price. So this is beautiful because there's a perfectness to the peacock's feathers. So they've actually kept stones and then glitter all around, and then it's a metal, so the durability is assured. And the best part is the peacock's face. See how pretty it looks. So there's a perfectness to the peacocks. See, the stones are stuck on both the sides along with the eyes. So it's a beautiful piece, again with leaves. So if I show you in a vertical way, it actually looks like this. So it has like 3 leaves, 3 leaves, 4 leaves actually. Here also there's one. So it looks really pretty. So this is my second piece. All these are available on the Home Center app as well. You can actually check out. There is a new product that has come up in the same variant where you have the glass bowls here. Like if you have the blue stones here, right? So you will have a blue glass bowl inside which you can actually keep the candle. That's a new variant of the same peacock that has come. That's even more beautiful, I would say, but I think that's slightly over expensive. It's around 899 or something. So this is the second piece. Now the third piece that I have is also a candle stand, and it's little heavy but really beautiful. So the same candles can actually go here as well, and since it's a little heavy, it has a strong base down. You can see here there's a perfectness to the whole piece as such. Every petal has a perfect shape. This again is a metal. So I think this costed me around 699 after discount. So it's like 2 flowers on one stand. So it's a beautiful piece. So you can actually keep these kind of candles, or you can also keep those long candles that comes here, right? But the drawback here is that, you know, I've actually tried with the bigger candles that we get on Amazon, but the drawback here is that, you know, like the candle actually melts and it falls here and then it becomes really hot, so it's not possible for you to touch it, and then, you know, the color starts changing. If you notice with the last usage, you know, a little bit the color has actually faded. So I suggest that, you know, these kind of home center candles, it's better to use the LED candles more than the real candles. Okay, so this is my next product. Now let's move on to the next candle stand. This is a very pretty candle stand. Again, this I had the big candle inside, but now it's over, so I'll just show you by keeping the small one. See how pretty the lotus is. So this is actually a very light material, and this again is metal. So this costed me around $5.99 and I got it for just $2.99 rupees because this was on sale. And the real candle, that it comes actually with the candle, and when I went to buy this, you know, they did not have the candle with it, so they were giving it for a lesser price. So that's how I got this beautiful piece. So I think this is one of my favorite pieces because when you put the candle inside, it has a beautiful view. So it has, you know, it's amazingly pretty. So this is one piece. Now I have the next big piece. So this is again a candle stand. So this is a huge one. So there is an opening here. See, this is how it opens, and then you can actually keep your candle inside. Actually, this goes really well with a big candle. This is $12.99 rupees and I got it for $5.99, but I am really not happy with the purchase because the day I got this itself, you know, this broke. Actually, it has a, I'll show you how it was. So it was like this. So the reason why I picked it up was, you know, I had a brass string at home and I thought I can actually hang it, but then, you know, unfortunately by the time I reached home, this broke. So I'm not sure if, you know, I can weld it, or I'm still kind of searching for workarounds on this. If any of you know how to fix this, please do let me know. So this is this looks really pretty if you have a big candle inside, big LED candle. You can't keep the real candle because you know, it gets heated up really fast, and I think the beauty really enhances when you have a LED candle in it. So this is how it is. Moving on to the next home center item, beautiful peacock wall hanging. So this actually has a tragic story to it. This is something, it's a wall decor piece where you can actually hang it. See, you have a hook here, you can hang it, and the most unfortunate part here was that, you know, it had a mirror in the middle, and while I was trying to take the video, I was trying to remove it from the wall, it broke. So otherwise I could have actually shown you with the mirror. So this is a very pretty piece. It costed me around $8.99 and I think the real price was $11.99. So the work, the stone work, the painting, the distress painting that you see here, right, is all looking so natural, and the feathers and everything, you know, every bit of detail is absolutely perfect. See, so this is amazingly beautiful. So just giving you a zoom. Next item are these two candles. I think this is a very common item, home center decor item. This is 174 rupees per piece. So this enhances the beauty of the room to the extreme. You know, it's such a beautiful piece. So it comes in different colors. Actually, this is blue, what I have picked, the aqua blue. You can get red, yellow and orange. I think 4 colors they have, and you also have a choice to kind of, you know, hang it if you have a string. So again, I have kept LED light inside, and it is beautiful. Like, you know, how you open it is that, you know, it's from below, so you can actually open it like this. This is how it looks like. It's beautiful, and in the night, especially when you have two pieces glowing, you know, one above the other, if you have strings, it's really pretty. So this is the next item that I have, and the next home center item that I have are again these candle stands. So you must be wondering, like, you know, all my purchases have been on candle stands because I love candles. So again, LED inside. I have not blown it. So this is two pieces. See how pretty it is. Okay, so you can remove it when you're not using it. So I have bought LED lights for all of these candles and kept it inside, so as and when I require it, I can actually use them. So it's pretty simple to use. This is the same technique. You just lift this glass and then this is how it looks like. I will switch off the light and show you how it looks later. I'll put an image here how it looks. So this is so pretty. It has blue and aqua blue, golden and white all over. So this one was $4.99 and there was no sale, so I bought $4.99 each. So I think this is yet another piece. Now the last piece that I have from Home Center is these two, again candle stands. This is how this comes in white and golden. This one is without light and this one is with light in it. So this has a height difference. It's like this, and this pair was just 399 rupees, guys. So I was really shocked to see the price, and that's how I picked it up, because I was literally searching whether there's any damage to it or not, but I couldn't find any. And it's just that, you know, there is a third piece to it which was missing, so they were selling these two pieces, but for me the two pieces were so perfect for my place, so I just grabbed this one. So it was just $3.99 piece, but I don't think it's available right now. And I've seen similar ones in Hometown, by the way, which cost me I think around 1,000 rupees, and that too for just two pieces. It's a little bigger, but the design is exactly the same. I've also got this one. Everybody must be knowing this. This is again a candle stand, but then this is mostly used for not for with LED lights. It's with a you know, this agarbatti or something like that. You can put it for the dhoop. We can actually use it here. You can pour the oil here. Essential oils also you can pour, and then it gives the room a really nice fragrance, but you have to keep the real diya here. So piche there is a place to keep the diya, the candle here, the real candle. So with the heat, it actually, you can put the essential oil here, you can put camphor, you can put anything. It's just that it has to be away from children because it gets heated up after some point of time. So that's how. I think this was around 50 rupees, 49 if I remember correctly, and they had different colors in this. So that's the last one on the home decor stuff from Home Center. Now as an add-on to it, I actually, you know, what I was showing you, I got these candle stands from Amazon. So I'm starting with the Amazon things. So this was a set of 6. So this has a stand, and I got these stands and the candles separately. This stand of 6 costed me I think around 135 or something, and this one costed me around 180. So this has 10 pieces, 10 candles to it. These are LED candles. So you can either use this for keeping the real candles, or you can actually use this. So I don't use real candles at all, because since children are there at home, it's not safe to use real candles, and I forget it, so it's a big danger. So I use always LED candles. So it looks amazingly beautiful in these stands. So this set of 6 is 135 and this one was around 180 or something approximately. So these were the 2 purchases from Amazon. And in addition to that, you can see some greens behind. So I have 3 of my greens here, 1, 2 and then the 3. Though I'm not a very plant person, but you know, money plant is something which is my favorite always. So I got these 3 pots, so 1, 2 and 3. So this was like for 599 rupees. What happened was, you know, I had one bamboo that you see in the middle and then 2 money plants, but this money plant is still saying, so I bought this a month back. This money plant is still alive. It is okay. The bamboo is also okay so far, but unfortunately the money plant that I had in this actually did not survive, and so this is a money plant that I kind of, you know, had propagated earlier, and from there I took this and then kept it here. So I think for 3 it was 599. So if you want to know more about these plants, how to purchase plants online and all that, please do let me know. Ferns and Petals was a brand, so I think they sell the best plants in the market. So last but not the least, and this is not a home decor item, so if you see, I am actually using a collar mic here. So any YouTubers who are in the beginning stage of taking your videos, you know, you might realize that your volume is really less. It doesn't come out really well when you are talking out. It varies very feeble. So it's that's how I purchased this one. I got this from recommendation from one of the YouTubers only. So this costed me around 150 rupees, 170 rupees I think, including delivery charges. And this is pretty reasonable because the sound quality is really good. I'll leave the link in the description box where you can go and purchase. So yeah, these are the things that I got for my new home. Hope you enjoyed this. Have a nice time. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.